Hello guys, again it's Nelson with Uniton Aqua Farms. Another video of our new design. It's a pyramid, 2 square footage, close to 110 plants. Bob is over here fixing stuff. This one is at Sac City. You guys can come and see it in person. We have a lightweight lighting system on the top.
The face of Jesus on it.
I have the dye to do it at home.
Forgive the noise. We are at the school right now, and we have all the plants here. And so you can see the plants are doing well with all the lighting. And then we'll go in the back so you can see plants are all around. And then we have more plants here, and we have Bob over here. And you have all the valves. So this is pretty much the place where if you want to drain every single pipe, you could, and also detach the top. If you have 2 or 3 using the same base, it could be shared. So this is a proof of concept. Let me know what you guys think, what you like, what you don't like. Please subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to like this video and share. Thank you guys.